That's Casa Rosada. We are on Plaza de Mayo in Buenos Aires, Argentina. And there's guards here. I saw a guard way up on top there with an automatic rifle. Of course, there's the flag of Argentina, flying proudly. These rocks here, you can see them, have something to do with unrest. People were upset about something and rode on rocks and threw them at this statue maybe, and now they've made the rocks into a monument, sort of. Janet noticed that there are some current dates on them, so maybe people still throw rocks? I don't know. I think Plaza de Mayo gets its name from the 25th of Mayo 1810. 25th of May. I believe that had some significance. We have a performer, a street performer here. So I'm going to veer out and go around the other direction. But now I'm going to have to talk over that music. Sorry, but it's going to be annoying because I'm just going to talk non-stop. Those look like fish, but I don't know. Why would there be fish there, right? He's got a lot of pigeons on it. I can see that. Let me hold this up higher. In fact, let me put it through. Hey, there's people in there. There, see? Wow, that's hokey. He says hola, YouTubers. Maybe we should walk further out. That white building with the red roof was City Hall when the Spanish still ran Argentina. It's a City Hall for Buenos Aires, but it's no longer. I think it's a museum now, but I'm not sure. I noticed the clocks on the buildings, there's one there and one there, have the correct time. It's almost 1 o'clock. The palace had one too? I've been informed. Oh yeah. You know, they all have a slightly different time on them, and I have 1 o'clock straight up, if you can call 1 o'clock straight up. So anyway, that's Plaza de Mayo and Casa Rosada in Buenos Aires, Argentina. And so now it's time to say
bye from Argentina.
adios. See you in the next port.